He's got the decoy and the gun. I have the longest lens that we have. So I'm gonna try and get a super slow motion shot. Nice up and close of the gobbler. It's gonna be tough. The cards are stacked against us. We're gonna try it. And since we decided to just get up and leave, I was in my hey dudes. So I'm not prepared for this.
That was incredible.
Yeah, that is the best turkey footage we have ever gotten, because I got it in slow motion right there. So, and that was the mission. So
we had to break strut, get him to break strut.
Yep.
So
good job.
Oh, that was
good shot too. How far is that?
But I mean, no, it's a 30-yard shot. It's just a classic.
All right.
Yeah, man. That was when I heard him gobble underneath the bluff. I'm like, hey, we can't wait for him to come up here because they may exit out there.
Right.
Not knowing how steep it was. So I heard the hinge yelp, and then he gobbled. He's right here. And then, I mean, you went to that tree, which was perfect. You could stand in the video. And they never picked you up. They didn't pick me up. So he was in full strut and had to drop on him. And
chasing out the Jake and...
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's go check him out.
All right. Oh, mackerel. He swamped himself. We're gonna have to let him dry out. Heat up his fan. He got her right in the noggin. He kind of looks like a junkyard dog.
Yeah, seriously.
Right now, but we'll hang him up in the tree, the turkey tree. So I'm thrilled to death. He's been breeding. He got all his feathers wore off his chest, and he was the dominant tom in that flock. So that was a good way to finish up the day, Connor. Good job.
For sure. Ton of fun.